Welcome back. Question 13 is about critical angle. It means about total internal reflection. So you remember sine theta c equals a ratio, right? Easy to remember the thing because you need to have a solution for sine theta c, and sine theta c is smaller than 1. So it must be a small number over a big number. No matter if it is a ratio of n or a ratio of speed, still the same. So now this is about speed. So it should be a slow speed over a fast speed. So you remember it is a medium and air. So the speed of light in vacuum is faster. So sine theta c equal a slow one. It means the medium speed over the speed of light in vacuum c. So what is the answer? Yes, you got it. Move the c to the left hand side. C sine theta c is the medium speed. So the answer is D. Did a good job. Well done.